Welcome to another video. Now let me remind you that themes are for the look of the website with some of built-in functionalities, and plugins on the other hand are mostly for the additional features for the website. In this video, we will install the must-have plugins for any blog website. I have divided into two parts, SEO and other features. SEO will be covering, like I will be installing these must plugins for my blog, and I recommend you to do the same. Google Sitekit, Yoast SEO plugin, SMUSH Images optimization, cache plugin, any cache which is preferred by your server, SSL. On the other hand, there are additional features for the additional features, additional plugins, post click counter, table of contents plugin, Jetpack, and classic editor. Now let me take you to the screen. Here we have dashboard of our website nextproperty.com, and you must have your own right now. And we'll go to plugins, and we'll just have to see installed plugins. See, this plugin is not required. We'll just delete it. This is also a testing. We'll delete it, and these all plugins were recommended by the team. We can also deactivate them, but let them be there. Okay, and we'll just go to add new plugin. First of all, we will go to Google Sitekit, and here it will be. Oh yes, this is it. We'll install it. We'll activate them later on once we will be setting up. And the other one is Yoast SEO plugin. Yoast, and just install it again. Another one is Smush. For image optimization. The one is cache plugin. I use Lightspeed because the servers of Nextdoor are Lightspeed. So I recommend Lightspeed. You can use this fastest cache as well. You can use super cache as well. Any of those, but I recommend these both too. And SSL is already here, so we do not need to go to search here, or you can also search here. It will come the same. Really simple. So install it. Although Nextdoor provides free SSL, you can just ignore it. But most of the hosting providers do not provide, so I recommend to use this plugin. And last is WordPress. This is for the security purposes. Okay. All right. On the other hand, we'll go to post click counter. Post click counter. To let us know the number of clicks on our posts. Post views counter. Okay, by Digital Factory. And the other one is table of contents. Table of contents. This helps users who visit our website in deciding what to read or what not to read. Okay, I'll just go there. And Jetpack. Jetpack has good features, free features for subscription and others sharing option. So we'll just go install it. And last one is classic editor, which is the first one actually, but I'm going to install it in the last. Classic editor. All right, so just go to install plugins, and we have all these installed plugins. Let me share what each plugin does, like the features or the functions of each plugin. Classic editor, it is a classic editor. It is very easy to use for the newbies, for the new people who know WordPress. Enables the WordPress classic editor, the old style edit post screen, and it has lots of other options. Another one is easy table of contents. It adds a user-friendly and fully automatic way to create and display a table of contents for our posts. It makes easy to read. Jetpack, security, performance, and marketing tools. I use it for marketing tools for sharing posts and email subscription. Lightspeed cache. As our server, as I use Nextdoor hosting, their servers are Lightspeed servers, so I use Lightspeed cache. You can use others as well. Post views counter. It counts the clicks on your post, so it helps us to analyze the data. Really simple SSL. Nextdoor provides free SSL, so I do not activate it. But in case if you are using some other hosting which does not provide SSL, you can use it. Simple SSL. It helps a website load on HTTPS rather than loading on HTTP only, and it helps in SEO as well. Sidekick by Google. Sidekick is official plugin by Google. It helps to integrate Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and in future Google AdSense as well. SMUSH. It reduces image file size and optimizes all the image performances. WordPress security. It is for security purpose. If anyone wants to get into our website, it helps us to save from that. Yoast SEO. This is all-in-one SEO solution, and we'll be doing on-page and mostly off-page as well. Sorry, not off-page, but technical SEO as well. So this is it, and we will just use it in future videos, and I will tell you how to use each one of these. So that's it for today, and we will be discussing the most important pages for our blog, or every blog should have those pages in the next video. Till then, see ya. Do not forget to subscribe to YouTube channel and leave your feedback and comments below. If you have any questions, do ask and I will respond to each one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you